Hey guys, it's Maria and today I'm teaching you the verb hitch. You might be already familiar with the words hitchhike and go hitchhiking, which means to travel by getting free rides. You must have seen those guys standing by the side of the road or sticking out their thumb. So you might say, I want to go hitchhiking next summer, or that I've hitchhiked around Europe. Instead of saying hitchhike and go hitchhiking, you might also say to hitch a ride or to hitch a lift, which is basically the same. For example, yesterday we were lucky enough to hitch a ride or hitch a lift to Moscow. So what is that, to hitch? Originally it means to fasten one thing to another, usually by using a rope. For example, you might hitch a horse to a carriage or to a wagon. Or you might hitch a trailer to a car. Speaking of hitching a wagon, there is one cool idiom. It's to hitch your wagon to a star, which means to aim high, set grand goals, and usually pursue them by partnering with somebody successful. For example, when he wanted to become an actor, he hitched his wagon to a star by making friends with some popular actresses. Or you might encourage somebody by saying, aim high, just hitch your wagon to a star. You can do that.
You know, we can go out to concerts, try exciting new food, maybe do some luxury camping.
Hitch our wagon to their star and see how fast they spice up our life.
Hey, Jack Daniels, what's cracking? Look, my hot cousin, her volleyball team has a game tonight. Tall girls, tiny shorts. You in?
I think I gotta pass.
Oh, I get it. All right, you're still in Perarino's corner, but that's okay, buddy. Look, just word to the wise, all right? Just be careful who you hitch your wagon to. I mean that.
So with wagons, horses, and trailers, it's clear. What about people? Can two people get hitched? Metaphorically speaking, yes. So when two people get hitched, they actually get married, as if they were being tied to each other the way our horses are tied to a wagon. This actually reminds me of one more idiom. It's also about tying and it's about getting married. So if you know this one, please share in the comments. So, or you might say that they're getting hitched next month, or he's getting hitched to his best friend.
You should think about getting hitched. You should think about getting hitched.
You want to get hitched? You want to get hitched?
And now let's talk about phrasal verbs. You might say to hitch something up. Hitch something up means to pull something up, to pull a piece of clothing, something that you're wearing, to a higher position. For example, to hitch up a skirt or to hitch up your pants or trousers if you are into British English.
Hitch up your pants!
Great, there you have it. Now let's quickly recap. You might say to go hitchhiking or to hitchhike around Europe, around your country, and so on. Or just hitch a ride or hitch a lift. And the person who does this is called a hitchhiker. If you hitch something to something else, you basically attach it, like a horse to a carriage or a trailer to a car. If you say to somebody that they should hitch their wagon to a star, it means that you encourage them to aim high and to pursue grand goals. And if two people get hitched, they basically get married. And finally, if you hitch up your trousers, you pull them up, probably because you don't want other people to see your underwear. So that would be it. Now it's over to you. Or don't forget to practice this new vocab in the comments, or at least write it down somewhere and come up with your own sentences. But if you post your sentences here under this video, I'll be able to check them and help you out. So don't be shy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!